So now that we are inside our website, here is some grid lines, white and black dashed lines here to show us our web page. This top section here, this is our header area, and our title has highlighted there so we can see the header. Here is our right side, our left side of the page. Inside the middle here, this would be the center of the page. And when we scroll down, we can see the footer, and the title has popped up here. Now, something to understand about this web page is we are in our home page, which is highlighted here. So let's say that we wanted to get over here to this job description. If I try to click on it from here, it's not going to do anything. It's going to highlight our header area and pop up all of the settings and options to adjust our header. So if I want to get into this job description page, I need to go up here to the top to this drop-down menu and switch pages and select the page that we want to move to. Now up here, here's some more options and settings for our web page. An undo button, so if you actually accidentally delete something or wanted to undo whatever was just done, that's that option. And then the redo. We can switch to our mobile listing. This is our save button, so you can manually click on this button and save any changes that you made, and it just confirms that yes, you're making any changes, and hit done. And also after X amount of seconds and minutes, Wix automatically saves your web page for you as well. If we wanted to preview our website, you'll see here is our ad banner for our Wix, and then it brings us right into our website, where now we can click on each area and get directly into that web page. Now if we want to get back, just back to editor. And so let's say that we've made some changes and we're ready for all of those changes to go live and be published. If we click on here, publish, it now shows that all of our changes have gone live and it's on our website now for the public to view.